There is a danger many people never notice, not because it is loud, but because it feels safe. It happens when rules, rituals, and religious practices slowly take the place of truth, understanding, and inner change. Religion was meant to guide the heart, but when it replaces the heart, it becomes a master. And without realizing it, people begin to bow to it. Religion is supposed to point us toward meaning, humility, compassion, and growth. But when the focus shifts from understanding to performance, from reflection to habit, something is lost. People learn what to say, when to say it, and how to behave, but inside, nothing changes. They obey, they attend, they repeat, yet remain distant from the purpose behind their beliefs. When religion becomes your God, practice starts to feel more important than character. Ritual feels safer than honesty. Routine feels easier than self-examination. People begin to believe that doing the right actions automatically means they are right within. But repetition is not transformation, and outward obedience is not the same as inner awareness. This is where religion quietly becomes a prison. Fear replaces love. Pride replaces humility. Judgment replaces compassion. The rules which were meant to serve the human spirit now demand loyalty and control it. The real question is no longer, am I growing in understanding and compassion? But am I following the system correctly? Any belief that discourages questioning, silences conscience, or treats reflection as rebellion should be carefully examined. When traditions are placed above awareness, people may feel disciplined and secure, but their empathy weakens and their inner voice fades. They begin serving the structure, not the truth behind it. This is not a call to abandon faith, but a call to examine it honestly. Religion should help you grow, not trap you in fear. It should encourage reflection, not blind conformity. Do not let belief replace conscience or routine replace understanding. When the path becomes the destination and the rules become more important than truth, religion has taken a place it was never meant to occupy. If you're inspired by this story and want to hear more like it, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yomi Inspired, for more uplifting and thought-provoking content. Join me as we dive deeper into the mysteries of the human experience and the divine.